Okay, I'm going to show you how to change a plug here on your 110 extension cord. You see my ground had broken. So it's pretty easy to do. You can do this yourself. Just cut the end off and just get you a knife or whatever you got handy. And you want to strip the coating back. And just pull it back probably no more than a ½ inch, because you want to make sure that your clamp has something to clamp onto. You just take your wire strippers and you cut the excess coating off. Then you want to take each one of your wires. This right here, the white one, is the common, and just strip it back about 1/4 of an inch. And you take your hot, which is your black, and strip it back also 1/4 of an inch. And you can take your ground and also strip it back. Then you want to take your connector here, which is my male connector. The bottom is your ground, one to the left is your hot, then you have your common. As you see, your common is silver, the screw is silver, and your hot, which is your black, is copper looking, then you got your green ground. So the only thing you want to do, I take my wires, I just twist them a little bit just to keep it from flaring up and easier to go into the fittings. So I'm going to take my ground, and you can put them on in any order you want. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to put my ground in first, which is the green. And I'm going to tighten it up. And make sure it's just snug. Don't over tighten it too much. You'll strip your threads. Next I'm going to do my black. Well, I'm going to go ahead and do my black, which is my hot. As you see, it's the copper looking screw. I'm going to tighten it up. Next I'm going to put my common, which is my white. As you see, the screw is silver looking. Make sure you put them on in this order. Make sure the black is to the gold looking or copper looking, and the white is to the silver, and green is ground. And I'm making sure everything is snug. I'm just tightening them up, and then I snug on it a little bit. Make sure the wires are connected. And you just clamp your fitting together and tighten it up. As you see, I'm tightening it up. What you want to do is make sure it is tight so it can clamp down on the cable. Okay, as you see, it's clamped down, and that's all to it. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day. And if you need these parts, look in the description below. There's links. Thank you and have a great day.